Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can use the Hey L.A. palette by Essence to create this eye look. This palette is for those of you that like softer eye looks, and let me know your thoughts about the color story in the comments down below. I'm gonna start off with this light creamy eyeshadow. It has a matte finish. With the eyeshadow brush by Essence, I'm pressing lightly on the brow bone. If you have a darker skin tone, you can mix the creamy shade with the next one that I'm gonna use. Following that, I'm picking up this light brown matte shade and I'm using this as my transition color. I'm diffusing the shade in the crease area with the blending brush by Wet n Wild. It is a light shade and you can see the difference between my eyes. It's very easy to blend this shade and works very well as a base for the next eyeshadows. Moving on to this light pink matte shade, and with the same brush I'm gonna pop that in the crease. This time I'm blending the eyeshadow in the outer crease and eyelid. It looks very pretty in the crease. Up next, I'm taking this lilac matte shade with a double-ended brush by Essence. I'm focusing again on the outer part of the eyelid and the crease, but this time I'm using a smaller brush and the shade looks closer to the movable eyelid. The lilac shade is so pretty with the previous one. After that, we have this light peachy shade with a satin finish, and with an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I'm packing that on the inner eyelid. This shade is very similar to my skin tone and not so visible on me. You can make it shinier by pressing it with your fingertip or using a setting spray to wet your brush. I'm using the Smashbox setting spray. I continue by taking this light orange satin eyeshadow, and with another Essence brush, I'm pressing that on the center of the eyelid. This is softer with a dry brush and you can make it more noticeable with your fingertip. To highlight the inner corner, I'm picking up this light golden shade. It has a shimmery finish, and with a smudging brush by Urban Decay, I'm buffing that in the tear duct and inner lower lash line. To lighten up the eyelid, I'm tapping the same shade in with my fingertip. Here we have this satin pink shade, and with the same brush I'm pushing this on the outer eyelid. This is gonna give depth to the eyes and matches very well with the crease colors. I'm also pressing some product with my fingertip to make it more noticeable. You can skip this step if you want something softer. I'm taking the darkest shade of the palette. It has a dark plum color and a matte finish. I'm smudging that in the outer lower lash line to define it, and as you can see, it's not very dark and it goes very well with the other shades on the eyes. I'm going back in the lilac shade, and with this one I'm going over the edges of the lower lash line. I'm blending with the gold and plum shades and they look very nice together. Next, I'm taking the plum shade with an eyebrow brush by Essence and I'm pressing very close to the lashes to give them a fuller look. I have also applied black liquid liner by Catrice in the shade Dating Joe Black, and in the waterline a nude eye pencil by Tommy G Cosmetics. For mascara, I applied the Essence You Better Work Lengthen Definition Mascara. You can find here my playlist with Essence makeup tutorials. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!